इक्ष्वाकुकुलवंशप्रभवः रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः. In the Ikshvakukula, in the Surya Vamsha, born, whose name is called Rama 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 Bhajore, Rama 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 Bhajore, Rama Bhajore, Rama Bhajore, Rama Rama Bhajore, Rama 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 Bhajore. Rama 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 Param Dhama, Rama 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 Ayodhya Rama, Rama 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 Ayodhya Rama.